So today I'm taking a quick look at VidPilot AI. This is installed on my Windows computer. It's local software that allows you to generate faceless videos without any APIs. So once you've got this software, you don't need to pay anyone for voice or images. If we go to third-party API, you'll see these two are blank, but you do have the option of adding 11 Labs and Runway APIs if you want, but they're completely optional. This is version 1. There's a lot of polishing that can be done, and I've already fed back a ton of ideas. The creator has been very engaging and has taken on board my feedback. I'm sure he'll take on board yours, but let's take a quick look at how this works. So at the top, you pick your resolution. You can currently generate portrait or landscape videos. You can generate quiz videos, stories, scrolling websites, or motivational. This social section is to do with uploading things. I haven't touched that yet because I think I'd rather manually do that for now. And then in the settings, you've got things like you can add a watermark, you can add a call to action, and you've got your social API integrations to allow you to upload to Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. So how it works is super simple. If we just take the quiz element, for example, we can say how many questions we want. We can say we want it AI generated, or you can provide your own from JSON or Excel. We then have a category niche. So let's say we want, let's say technology, and you can include some prompts if you want. So I'm going to actually just leave that as it is. We then say enable. So quiz type is now enabled. That is ready to generate, but I'm not going to start it just yet. I'm going to hop over to story. We can have motivational, love, moral, thriller, Reddit drama. Let's say a motivational. So once you've selected the type, you can select the length. So it can go up to 3 to 5 minutes. And you can either have a custom prompt, which is where you define the scenes in the image prompt, or you just let AI generate it. And all you really need to provide is the story prompt. So here you can see they've said a spooky village haunted by rumors, but the real cause is a scammer. So we might say for motivational, a motivational video about getting 2026 off to a fantastic start by setting goals. I'm going to click enable that, but I'm still not going to start it yet, because you can then go through and you can say scrolling websites. This is where you can add a website and a description, and it'll create a scrolling video. So we've got motivational, so we've got quotes. So you've got, again, different themes. So let's say positivity, number of quotes, AI generated. You can have custom quotes down the side, but I'm just going to do AI generated, and we'll say enable that one. And so we've now got a few different things enabled. I'm going to press start. So what it's now doing is, because I've enabled all of these across the top, it's going to go through and generate them one after the other. This part could obviously take a while. It's to generate the quizzes, it's then generating text to speech, and it's generating images, it's packaging it all up, and it will output it. So the output is dropped into a folder of your choice, and it drops them into individual folders. So you've got the quiz videos, the quotes, scrolling, and story. And when you go in, they're simply outputted as quiz video 0, and so on and so forth. If I go to the, I think I've done more story videos, you can see it's 0, 1, 2, 3, and then I have HD, and that would then go HD, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if you like, look at this, it's currently on a private lifetime deal. I'll put a link below. It's available via Gumroad, and that will give you all the details you need. You can see it starts at $147, goes up to $297 if you want multiple PCs to be able to run this software at the same time. And then it just goes through, gives you a lot more information about what the software does, who it's for, all that kind of stuff. So go and check that out if you're interested. I'll put a link below. Now let's take a look at some of the output.
Why might a phone need a firmware update? The answer is B, fix bugs.
Revolutionize your home and tech life with Reviewify, your trusted source for hands-on reviews of the latest smart devices, home appliances, audio gadgets, and productivity tools.
As the first light of dawn breaks through the darkness, the world awakens to endless possibilities. The serene lake reflects the sky, reminding us that each new day offers a chance to start afresh and set our intentions for the year ahead. High above the world, on a mountain peak, one person stands in triumph, embodying the dreamer who dares to reach for the impossible. With the vast expanse of the valley below, they recognize that every great journey begins with a single step toward their goals. In a haven of creativity, the air is filled with inspiration. A person writes fervently in their journal, crafting their aspirations and dreams, fueled by the vision board that sparks their imagination. Here, amidst the whispers of ambition, plans take shape. As the city comes alive with vibrant energy, each individual navigates their path, igniting their passions and pursuing their dreams. The hustle and bustle symbolize the collective courage to chase after what matters most in this new year, where every goal can lead to a brighter future. Like and subscribe for more videos.
So when I originally uploaded this video to YouTube, there's a slight issue with the motivational demo section because the background music that has been automatically added got flagged as I needed a license for it. I fed this back to the developer and he very quickly added a way for me to be able to add my own background music. So this is a really great feature. It means you can source it from places like Audio, Upbeat. So although it has background music built in, the better option is to download your own where you have a license for it and just use that in the background. So here is the replacement video using a track from Upbeat. So that was just a super quick demo of the quiz story and scrolling website and some quotes. You see how quick and easy it was to set that up. What I would like to see though is more fine controls on each of them. So for example, in the story one, I would love to be able to set the number of images that are required. So for at the moment we can set the length, but I'd like to maybe increase the number of images in short so that every say 6 seconds the image changes. I sometimes think it's a little bit long in between. I'd also like to be able to turn on and off different effects. So you saw on the story one, for example, it had this weird glitching effect. I don't particularly like that one. I would like to be able to disable that so it doesn't get used. I think it's quite distracting. And I actually thought maybe it was a corrupt file or something when I first saw that effect. I just don't like it at all. So it'd be great on here if we had extra controls over the types of animations, the effects, all that kind of stuff. I've already fed all that back, so I'm hoping to see that in a future update. If you want to get in early before any price rises and when all this good stuff's coming out, I will leave a link below.